All right, guys, here we go. Well, if you think the other two times were just luck, let me see if I can get a third one in here. Oh, dang, I think I might just have missed it. Let me wait for that. Okay. So here we go. Broke the trend line. Previous red candle took out the previous one, two, three candles. And we were at that significant price zone. Again, couldn't get over it. Like one, two, third hit. And so here we are. So anyway, I'm gonna try to see if we can come down here and hit that 20 on the 2 minute chart. Every candle is just 2 minutes of price action, so it's moving pretty quick. And our stop loss is if we take out the previous candle, never lose more than one candle, if that makes sense. There's other factors there as well for stop loss, but yeah, your entry, knowing where to get in, where to get out is important, but your stop loss is the most important thing. Uh, you know, doing this deal. So anyway, in the meantime, we're going to go over here to the futures market and show you how we did the went short oil and everything else. Let's go there. Up a little bit. Had this, again, significant support zone. We got through it, so now it's resistance. Everybody talking about oil going to $2,000 and everything. It still might, but again, significant price zone. See the resistance here, the red dash line. Now I can't tell you what that is, how we came up with. That's for our Patreon members, but hey, at least we know how to play this game. Don't matter if it's stocks, crypto, futures, whatever. And we got it on lock. And yeah, we knew that 2000 and silver up on it. Now I'll go ahead and tell you a few little secrets about that. Okay. Uh, we were trading up here. We had this down. Well, let me take everything off so you can see it. Anyway, everything was coming down here, selling off, and then kind of a little indecision candle. Then we came back up through it. We let it come up and then come down, flush down. And when it came back through where it sold off previously, basically a tweezers play here. Some people call it other things, but you call it whatever. But anyway, it's kind of like igniting a rocket, when you have this, like a firecracker or something. I don't know, the fuse fizzles, go burns and then ignites and blows. If it's on the top, it blows the downside. If it's on the bottom, it'll blow that price to the upside. Not all the times, but high odds, high probability on that deal. Okay, and the DXY coming up. See how strong, I keep telling people it's all about the DXY and a significant price level here. And then we're back up and over it there. We'll probably come up to that 200 and get rejected there, but we'll see. Let me put you on pause. I'm going to put up something here. Okay, this is about 101 will be the target just over the uh, 200 here, then everything else, we hit that pull back and then everything else should bounce a little bit. But anyway, yeah, everything just really contingent on this, on the DXY. Look at the SPY. Basically, it's ETF for the S&P 500. We'll go the daily. Each candle course 1 day of price action. Now, both of these, again, I keep saying that significant price level is significant price level. Anyway, our Patreon members know what that means. And yeah, as long as we're above those two levels, especially the green dash line is really probably the most important one. Near term, we're good, but I don't know why my chart is showing green here. Because see the bottom of that candle, that green dash line actually is pulling back. Uh, See right here, it's even on the hourly chart. Let's see the 2 minute chart. Okay, see what I'm saying? Something's not exactly right. Now, what we might do is come back in here and you have, uh, see all this open area right here. Well, we kind of filled it coming into there, but we still have all this to close up. In other words, we gapped up and then prices come down in order to close that gap. So, we'll see. Man, it's pulling back good. I guess, because of the DXY, getting a little bit of a bull trap. Plus, there's a lot of people that are in there that made, some good profit. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the charts.